Hey guys, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. So in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to freeze columns on Google Sheets. So first of all, want to open Google Sheets. So after opening it for freezing the columns, here on the top you can see here many options, and here as a third option you can see here view. Click on that, and from here as second option you can see here freeze, and then here you can see some columns here. From here you can just choose the column that you wanted, and now you can see that you had been freeze the column that you has been selected. If you want to increase the freezing of this column, then you can just drag it where you wanted. Then you can see that you had been freeze the column on Google Sheets. So that's it for this quick tutorial. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Make sure to do hit the like button and the subscribe button for more such quick and very interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.